I am so grateful for the sun shining in on our driveway to melt all of the snow. And I am so glad that we have four-wheel drive. Finn, you blend in with the snow. I can't even see you. Well, good morning everybody and Happy New Year. So today is the first day that the kids are back in school. After the holiday vacation, we had 3 snow days because the snow was so packed on top of ice that the roads were very dangerous for anyone to drive on. So we had not 1, not 2, but 3 snow days. I enjoyed staying home and just playing with the kids and just being with them and not going anywhere and just like snuggling in with them. I feel like there's the chaos of Christmas and it's like hectic. There's a lot going on, and then we had my parents came and visited, and then we had Lannon's parents come to visit. So then to just have a few extra days with just me and my own little babies in my own home where we couldn't go anywhere, it was, I think, just what I needed before sending them off to school. Good news, I have my bed made, and that is a great start. In other news, we did get Christmas put away. However, it is like, I mean, I am sure many other families can relate to just having messes everywhere. And it's like, okay, the kids are in school. I have a few minutes to myself while Millie is in preschool. Do I sit and read? Do I clean the house? Do I edit? Do I, who knows what? The list could go on and on. So I am going to zip through and see how much I can get done around this house before I need to do preschool pickup. Welcome to my mud room where everyone has their own locker. JK. Okay, so we don't have a mud room, so we have this folding table and we throw all of our wet snow gear up on top in hopes that Finn doesn't get it and that it can drive quicker. And we still have snow gear everywhere. Holy cow, it has taken over my house and I'm not really sure what to do because it is supposed to snow again tonight. We will see if the kids have school tomorrow. I don't know. Do I want them to have school? Do I not want them to have school? There is no such thing as laundry day in my house. Every day is laundry day. And I've actually done a really good job of keeping up with the laundry over the vacation. But I am just throwing one big load of laundry in today. I am not color sorting. Whatever is in the hamper is getting washed in one big load. Pinks, reds, blues, blacks. Okay, I'll leave the whites, but everything else. Sometimes when I do things, I already have dialogue of comments coming in, or I just like assume I know what people are going to think, because I've seen comments like this before where it's like, you have to make your kids clean, make your kids do that, that's lazy, make your kids clean. Well, you know what, I do make them clean, and sometimes it's just easier for me to just do it. Do you know what I mean? A lot of times it's the kids were playing and I said, kids, come upstairs right now. And they don't have a chance to play, and then it's because I want to clean it. So I know I don't have to justify myself for cleaning my kids' own stuff up, but I am. And sometimes it's just a way of me serving them and showing them that I care about them and love them, and I can help them do their chores every once in a while. Alright, there is going to be no before and after because I've already jumped around to 3 or 4 different rooms of the house without completing anything. So now I feel like I've done nothing because I've been working all morning and nothing is completed because I keep getting distracted. One thing that I did during the Christmas break was just have these baskets out with a bunch of games that some of them are new that the kids got for Christmas. In fact, I think almost all of these are new. But I really enjoyed having the games out because the kids were more likely to grab a game and just play if they saw them. If I had these in the closet where they belong, then the kids don't see them and then they're not as likely to play with them. And so I think I'm just gonna keep these baskets out with these games because the kids just pick them up and play with them, and it's been a lot of fun. One of our favorite ones Grandma Deru gave this to the kids, and it's so fun. Even Lucy's actually really good at this game. This is a fun one. See that? That is my dog. Finn. My goodness. Have you been teething? Have you been biting my table? Yes, he knows it. Sit. You don't have a treat in your hand. Oh, look at all that snow on your face. Been eating snow better than eating my table, huh? Saw somewhere once that a whisk actually gets the snow out of their fur really good. You can kind of just like whisk it out. Piano music in hopes that I can teach my boys piano. So I'm going to try and sit down with my boys and work on the piano when they get home. Finn! Hey! Found him sitting on the couch downstairs. I feel like I just have another toddler in the house, but because we are still working on potty training him, he is confined to just a certain area and you're not supposed to let him out of your sight. And I forgot I let him in the house. And so we put this up so he just stays up in that area. An upcoming project of mine is to find a way to organize my books, whether that's get another bookshelf, but for Christmas my parents gave us a lot of fun new books that I'm really excited for the kids to read. This is Rush Revere, teaches you about like the Pilgrims, the American Revolution, just anyway, I've read one before and they're a lot of fun for young kids, as well as the Little House on the Prairie books that I'm so excited to read with the little girls. And then the kids got these What is America from Christmas, and so we've got lots of fun books. Bonnie just read this with her kids and said it was so cute, so I'm excited to read that with my kids as well. So lots of fun new books. Our goal this year is to just kind of as a family read more. I'm turning on the vacuum, okay, Finn? Good boy, Finn. It's the vacuum, it's okay. Yeah, good boy, do you want a treat? Yes, good boy. Well, I don't know where the time went, but it is now evening time and the family is home and we are getting ready to do dinner as a family. So I am going to close out the vlog now, but I feel like I did a lot today as far as just like surface cleaning, picking things up so that I can really dig deep and do a deeper clean. I like going through the drawers, closets, cubbies, nooks and crannies, all that kind of cleaning. So I will do that more this month, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.